File, new project, select the web applications, click on next, write the name of the project as calculator, then select the next button, click on next. So this is a basic calculator program. We will create the two text boxes in the HTML file, and we will give the options of selecting the addition, multiplication, division, whatever the user wants. So you see our index.html file is created. In this we will create the form. Form/form. Action equals to Kelsey. This is the name of the servlet which will handle this form. Enter the first number. We will take the number from the user, so we will create here the text box, text field. Input type is equals to text. Name is equals to t1, the name of the text field. We will take the second number. Input type is equals to text, name is equals to t2. We will give the options by using the select tag. These options. So once the option is selected, the user will click the submit button. So we will use the submit button here. Input type is equals to submit. So our HTML file is completed. In this file we have seen how we have created the two text fields. Input type is equals to text, name is equals to t1, and for the second text boxes, enter the second number. Input type is equals to text, name is equals to t1. Now this is the options which we will user select, plus minus, by using the select tag in the HTML format, select/select. Once the submit button is clicked, input type is equals to submit, value is equals to submit. This form will be handled by the servlet which is called as Kelsey. So we will create this Kelsey servlet here. Go to the source package, click on new servlet, name of the servlet as Kelsey, name of the package as p1, click on the next button, select add information to deployment descriptor, click the finish button. So we see the servlet program has come. All the packages are import javax.servlet.star. We see the servlet calc is created. Now we will go to reading the parameters, that is the text field 1 and text field 2. These are the fields which we will be using. Integer.parseInt, this is used for converting. Request.get parameter, this is one of the methods of the HTTP servlet request interface. Once the parameter n1 is read, now we will read the second number, that is n2. Same we will copy here. Now we have to read the second parameter, that is the text field t2. We want to perform the action of addition, so we will use the result. Based on the condition of input text, that is the options plus, minus, multiplication or division, we have to read this parameter. So we have given the name of the select as OP. We will read this parameter also OP. So we have read the operations. We have read these operations, request.get parameter OP, and we have stored in the variable C. So this is the options which the user will select. So I just don't want to print in HTML format, so I will remove this. Based on the request parameter, whether the user has selected plus, minus, multiplication or division, we want to give the output. So we will have to give the if else condition. If op dot equals plus if the user has selected the plus options, we will add the two numbers and will store in the result variable. Else, if op dot equals, or the name of the parameter is C, we'll have to use the C, or we can change it here to OP. Equals minus result equals to n1 minus n2. Else if op dot equals multiplications, result equals to n1 star n3, n1 star n2. Else So this is the basic operation which we will be performing on the two variables. If the operation is equals to plus, we will add the numbers. If the operation is equals to minus, we will perform the subtraction of the numbers. If the operation is equals to multiplication, we will perform the product of both the numbers. Else if operation dot equals division, we will perform the division. Now we want to print these results. The result is plus. So this is a basic calculator program in which we have used the two text field T1 and T2. We are given the option of selecting plus, minus, multiplication or division to the users. Once the user clicks the submit button, so we have given the input tag here, the calc sublet will be invoked. The calc sublet will read the parameters n1 and n2 by using the request.getParameter methods. In the last lecture we have seen this request.getParameter is one of the interfaces of HTTP Servlet request interface. It is one of the methods of HTTP Servlet request interface. Request.getParameter T1, once we have read the variable of T1, we will convert into the integer variable by using the integer.parseInt. We store in the variable n1. We will read the second parameter request.getParameter T2, will store in the variable n2. We will read the operations which to be performed, that is the select options. We will read the parameter by using the request.getParameter OP. We will store in the string variable OP. We will use this out object printWriter out for printing to the users back to the client response.getWriter methods. And if the operation dot equals plus, we will add both the numbers. Else if the operation is equals to minus, we will subtract both the numbers. Else if condition we have given to perform all those operations. We have used the out.println methods to print the results. So we will run this program and we'll see the output. So both the text fields have come here. We will enter the number 22. We will enter the number 33. We will select the options plus only. Submit. The result is 55. Again we will see. We can select the second option also. We can check whether all the operations are performed perfectly or not. Now we will select the second operations, that is minus, submit. The result is 11. So the program is working. So this is a simple basic calculator program. In the index.html file, we have given the two text fields. We have given the options by using the select tag of the HTML file. Once the option has been selected, we have used the submit button. So when the user clicks the submit buttons, this servlet will be called. That is, the name of the servlet is calc. So once the calc servlet is invoked, we see inside the request in the service methods, we have read the parameters T1 and T2. We have read the options, select options parameter, that is OP. And OP dot equals plus, we have performed the additions. OP dot equals minus, we have performed the subtractions. Like this we have given the condition. So this is a basic simple program.